Hello everyone. Today we're going to compare Stripe and Braintree, two leading payment platforms. So Stripe is known for its robust payment processing capabilities, offering a suite of APIs that support online payments, subscription billing, and financial tools for businesses of all sizes. While Braintree is a PayPal owned service, provides payment solution focused on businesses looking for customizable and secure transaction management with support for multiple payment methods including credit cards, PayPal itself, and digital wallets. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Stripe and Braintree, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So let's talk about payment methods. So when it comes to Stripe, they offers credit, debit cards, ACH, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Alipay, and WeChat Pay. While Braintree offers credit and debit cards also PayPal, Venmo, Apple Pay, and Google Play. Google Pay. And when it comes to subscription management, Stripe had advanced subscription tools with customizable options, while Braintree they have a built-in subscription building and management. For tax handling, Stripe requires a third-party integration, which is quite a letdown, while Braintree also requires third-party integration. So both of them. When it comes to invoicing, Stripe have customizable invoices with payment links, while Braintree they supports invoicing but it requires PayPal integration. So when it comes to currency support, Stripe over they support over 135 currency globally, while Braintree they supports over 130 currencies. And for the platform integration, so Stripe, they have extensive APIs and pre-built integration. Same thing with Braintree, they have a robust API with PayPal integration. So when it comes to fraud prevention, so Stripe, they have advanced detection with radar, while Braintree, they have a built-in fraud detection and tools via Count. So another third-party integration. So when it comes to reporting and analytics, Stripe have detailed reporting and real-time analytics, while Braintree they offers detailed reporting with transaction data. And lastly, for market focus, Stripe have broad business spectrum, including e-commerce, SaaS, and marketplace. While Braintree, same thing, they have e-commerce, mobile application, and marketplaces. So that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go directly to pricing. When it comes to transaction fees, Stripe offers 2.9% plus $0.3 per successful transaction in the US, while Braintree they have 2.6 almost 2.6% plus 0.5 per transaction dollars in the US also. For international fees, so Stripe they requires additional 1% for international cards. Same thing with Braintree, they requires 1% for currency conversion. So when it comes to currency conversion fees, so as I said, Stripe they have also requiring 1% additional fees for currency conversion, while Braintree yeah they have 1% for currency conversion. So both international fees and currency conversion. So they both platforms require additional 1% fees. And lastly, for subscription handling fees, Stripe, they have no additional fees for subscription, while Braintree included, they have fees included with standard transaction fees. So on the standard transaction fees, the subscription handling fees is already included on Braintree. So that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to performance. For a global reach, when we talk about global reach aspects, Stripe they have over 35 countries supported, while Braintree over 40 countries supported with direct PayPal integration. for when we talk about ease of integration. Stripe, they are developer friendly, and also they have customizable API. When it comes to Braintree, the API they have API with seamless PayPal and Venmo integration. So pretty easy if you already work with PayPal and Venmo. And when it comes to speed of payout, Stripe, they have 2 to 7 days payout interval depending on the country, while Braintree typically 2 to 5 business days. And lastly, for fraud detection, Stripe have advanced fraud detection with Stripe Radar, while Braintree they offers fraud protection with Count integration. So you need to have Count. So that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to customer and support. For availability, Stripe is 24/7 available through email, chat, and support. Same thing with Braintree. So when it comes to documentation, Stripe, they have extensive developer-focused documents, while Braintree, they have developer-centric documents with clear PayPal and Braintree integration guides. And for onboarding assistance, Stripe is very limited, but they are improving onboarding help. When it comes to Braintree, they have comprehensive onboarding with detailed PayPal guides. Lastly, for community support, Stripe is very large and they have an active community. Braintree is smaller, but they focus on PayPal and marketplace integration, which is quite big. So that's it for the customer support. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer support. Now let's go directly to pros and cons. When it comes to pros, when it comes to Stripe, Stripe supports a vast array of global payment methods, making it ideal solution for businesses with international customers. They have highly customizable with APIs, allowing developers to tailor payment experience. They have a real-time analytics and reporting tools to help businesses track transaction and optimize payment flows for growth. And lastly, they have a fraud detection system, which is Radar, and it's extremely powerful, especially for companies with a high risk of transaction. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, Stripe, they have international and currency conversion fees, and it can be higher than some competitors, making it less cost effective for global businesses. They requires external integration for tax handling and compliance, which can add complexity to managing international payments. The chargeback and dispute fees can add up to for businesses that deals with frequent customer disputes. And lastly, while great for developers, some small businesses may find it too complex without technical expertise. So that's it for the Stripe pros and cons. And for the Braintree pros and cons, for the pros, Braintree have seamless integration with PayPal and Venmo, and it makes it a great choice for businesses that rely on these payment methods, offering a strong edge in certain markets. So they have transparent and competitive pricing, especially for high volume businesses with lower per transaction cost than some competitors. They have built-in fraud protection and security features, including count integration, and they provide a reliable shield against fraudulent transaction. And last, they support marketplace businesses with split payments and multi-party payouts, simplifying payments for platform integration or platform operators. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, Braintree have fewer customization options compared to Stripe, particularly in subscription management, making it a less ideal for businesses with highly specific needs. And the platform can feel heavily dependent on PayPal, which may not suit businesses that prefer other payment systems. And lastly, the reporting tools, while detailed, aren't as advanced as Stripe's, making it less ideal for businesses that need deep insights and analytics. Lastly, they have onboarding and setting up Braintree for non-marketplace businesses may require more time and assistance compared to Stripe. So that's it for the Braintree pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. So now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Stripe. So Stripe is preferable for someone who prefers a flexible and highly customizable platform with a broad range of API options for custom payment flows. Someone who runs an international businesses that needs to offer diverse payment methods and detailed reporting capabilities, someone who values real time analytics and insights to optimize their payment processes for growth, and lastly, someone who wants advanced fraud protection, especially for businesses with higher transaction risk or high value orders. You have all of these qualities right here, so Stripe is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose Braintree, Braintree is referable for someone who relies heavily on PayPal and Venmo for payments, especially if serving customers who prefer these methods. Someone who operates a marketplace or platform businesses that needs multi-party payments or split payments functionality. And someone who seeks a lower cost solution for high transaction volumes with competitive pricing, and someone who prefers a simpler setup for integrating payments, especially if their business is primarily focused on e-commerce and digital service. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Braintree is the choice for you. And yeah, that's it. So in conclusion, when comparing Stripe and Braintree, both platforms have distinct advantage depending on the business needs. Stripe excels with its flexibility, broad payment method support, and robust fraud protection, making it ideal for businesses that require advanced features and customization. Braintree, with its seamless PayPal and Venmo integration, shines for businesses that cater to those payment methods or need a simple marketplace functionality. Ultimately, the decision between Stripe and Braintree depends on how important flexibility and advanced analytics are versus simplicity and PayPal-centric transactions. So you need to assess your payment needs and choose the platform that best aligns with your business growth strategy. And lastly, both are excellent choice to streamline your payment processes and scale efficiently. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. And also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.